Top intelligence sources are now telling CNN News 18 that Pakistan is escalating its strategy of bleeding India with 1,000 cuts. Pakistan's ISI has launched a new brigade in the ISI with the name of Defenders of Pakistan, with an aim of sparking a social divide between Hindus and Muslims. The other idea that they are working on is radicalization of youth in India so that they can be used for terror activities. Thousands of handles and hashtags are being made to drive the sentiment of India and world against India. Anand Narsimhan is now joining us with more details. Anand, radicalizing the youth that this ISI's nefarious activities are looking at, is there a fear that this can happen through digital technology?
No, clearly, cyber terrorism is something which has been a modus operandi of the Pakistan and its stooges within the ISI and its stooges, and they have tried to do this since 2015, 2016, since the change of the government happened, and even before that. But the Pakistani or the ISI machinery has been quite active. When they realize that they are facing a huge price, they're paying a huge price for the physical proxy war that they're trying to fight. They're trying to shift the kinetics onto a different platform, and that is social media. Now, this is something which Pakistan has been trying to do, even using its lobbies across the European Parliament and even in the US with the news scripts, etc., which India has repeatedly called out and called its bluff. And Maha, you're aware of this, which has been going on. But aside of that, this is a dangerous propaganda. If you were to see what they try to